Hey, I'm going to walk you through sending an email campaign to generate more reviews. I'm going to use our demo account to show you how to do this. First, log into your account, then navigate over to the left-hand side. You'll see under the menu there, Generate Reviews. Select that option. And now you see our three different campaign types: text, phone, and email. Today we're going to focus on the email campaign, so go ahead and select that option. You now have the ability to upload your customer information via CSV file into our system so these emails can be sent. We have a nice template right here for you, so go ahead and download that CSV template by clicking on the button. I've opened that file up, and you'll notice along the top are column header names: first name, primary email, and zip code. These are required fields, so be sure to include your customer's information there. Now you have some optional fields: the sales rep name, sales rep email, and the CRM ID. We go into more detail on these optional fields in our Help Center. Today we're going to focus on the required fields. Once you have your customer's information in the CSV file, let's go ahead and save that back to our hard drive. Back on our platform, I can either drag that CSV file here, or I can click on the Choose File link and upload it from my computer. I'm going to go ahead and open that CSV file, and it will then upload into Best Company. And now I'm ready to launch this campaign. Before I do that, just note that any duplicate customers in your file will automatically be excluded from your campaign. So let's go ahead and launch it by clicking the Start Campaign button. Great. Now my campaign has launched, and I am directed to the Campaign Performance dashboard. Here I can see the date of my most recent upload, the number of requests that have been sent, any personalization that was included, and then as the reviews trickle in, I'll see the number of reviews, the conversion rate, and the average rating. Additionally, I have a status bar there letting me know the status of the email campaign. That's it. I hope that was helpful. Good luck generating reviews by launching an email campaign.